In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check balance in Meta Business Suite. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing Meta Business Suite into the search bar. When the results appear, choose the official Meta link, typically business.facebook.com or a meta domain you recognize. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and gets you straight into the right workspace. Once the site loads, sign in using your Facebook or Instagram account. Use the profile that has access to your business assets and complete any security verification if prompted. If you're already signed in, you may land on your Business Suite home or notifications view. Either is fine. From here, navigate to Ads Manager. In the left-hand menu, look for Billing and Payments and click it. This is the hub where Meta summarizes what you owe, what's already been charged, and any prepaid funds or credits associated with your ad activity. If your layout looks a little different, open the main menu and find the Billing and Payments option there. The name is the same even if the placement shifts with updates. Inside Billing and Payments, locate the Accounts section. If you manage more than one business or ad account, make sure you're working with the correct one since balances are tracked per ad account. Click to open the account you want to review so you're seeing the right financial details. After the account view loads, you should see your balance information front and center. The outstanding balance is the amount currently due that Meta will attempt to charge to your primary payment method. You'll also see any available funds, such as prepaid balances or account credits, which can offset future spend. Nearby, there's typically a summary of recent transactions and charge attempts, along with invoice references. If you use a spending limit or a monthly invoicing setup, remember that the balance may reflect costs since your last cycle rather than a single day's activity. Adjusting the display timeframe can help you understand where recent charges came from. A few quick tips as you review. If the outstanding balance seems higher than expected, check whether multiple campaigns were active or whether your spending limit reset recently. If Billing and Payments doesn't appear, you may need finance or admin permissions on that specific ad account. And if the numbers look delayed or incomplete, refresh the page or try again in a few minutes. Reporting can lag slightly during high activity. That's all there is to it. You searched for Meta Business Suite, opened the official link, signed in, went to Ads Manager, opened Billing and Payments, selected your account, and viewed your outstanding balance and available funds.